welcome back to another episode. Today we're riding with everybody. We got a lot of people out right now, so we got everybody riding. Got everybody out. Man, those Beamers are so clean. I just seen one of those last episode. It was a black one. It was so clean, bro. Yo, Wolf wheeling on the stretch is so crazy, bro. That's insane. We're back on the twisty roads again. Oh my god, he's leaning so hard! Yo, that's so crazy, bro! Oh my god! I don't want to hear anybody saying that they can lean as good as that guy with a backpack, bro. That's so crazy. He was leaning hella hard with the backpack, bro. Like, that girl has to be leaning so hard with him, bro. Oh my god. Yo, the other S1K is leaning hard too, man. I'm trying to keep up. I really am. It's hard though, bro. What up, bro? I saw you leaning on it. I saw you leaning hard, bro. Dude, I tried, bro. I'm trying, man. It's hard, bro, cause like with the stretch, dude. But I'm trying to make it work. We're back again. Oh, yeah, boy. Nothing sounds good, bro. Damn. Loki scared the crap out of me. Yeah, he flew, man. Oh my god! Bro, that thing sounds so good! Bro! Oh my god, bro! Oh man, does it feel good today! Woo! Oh man, we're finally pulling up.
You caught the wheelie?
Huh?
You caught the wheelie?
Yes! Bro, he popped up high, bro!
Like, I kind of like,
bro,
I gotta hold on, like, fuck.
Bro, we turn, bro, I look and I see.
Scary, but
I bet, bro, you're like hella high, bro. Alright, we finally pulled up to the meet. Got everybody here. Everybody's pulling up. I'll top in with y'all once I take off my helmet. It's hot, man. Alright, we're gonna go over and grab some grub. I clicked the camera after everybody was done revving the absolute piss out of their bicycles. Cause bro, oh my goodness, it's ridiculous, bro. Oh, excuse me. Man, that gsxr is clean. Was he watching a movie? Either a movie or a music video. Oh, yo! Yeah! What up, bro? How you doing? We're going to D-Hop. We're going to D-Hop. D-Hop. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, bet. Man, they're all the way up there. We gotta do a little bit of catching up. Oh, that's Popo. That's Popo, man. I moved the mic around in the helmet to see if hopefully I get a better sound quality out of the mic. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if this one is better than the other way, because I think when I changed it, it's in theory, like, I changed it that way less wind would get to it, so it'd be good to go. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to see. That's what I'm trying to see. Oh man, someone's getting pulled over. I don't know if it's me or who it is, but who's getting pulled over? Oh, it's them. It's back them. They got pulled over back there? Oh boy. I don't know who it is back there. I hope they're good, bro. I had a feeling, bro. I had a feeling that cop was gonna go for somebody. You imagine this freaking Will again, bro? Will was right next to me, I think. I hope it wasn't Will. Will literally got pulled over the last time for his freaking plate, man. Oh, Will's right there. It's not Will. It's somebody else. That's like one of the reasons why I didn't want to be like right behind him or right in front of him. But it is what it is, bro. That was kind of close. Feels very nice, very nice. Bro, the lowered M1K is insane. Bro, who got pulled over?
I don't know.
Bro,
Us two stopped, and then I just like, I turned on my bike and then I turned it back on and I just started walking away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way! It's always sketch going in this corner right here because I never know if that light is gonna be. Oh, if this light right here is ever gonna be green or red, bro. So it's always sketchy. I need to get those headlights bad, man. It's so dark, I can't see anything, bro. Yo, that Aprilia, the factory, that thing takes off, man. He just got it tuned, bro. Insane, man, insane. That thing just gets up and goes, bro. This guy makes it throw it around that Harley, bro. Let's find a spot and park in a spot. ASAP. Come on, no need to. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know what you're doing. We do this every time. Come on now. We're gonna park all over here. It's too hot to try and fit in there. Well, hello, gangster. Hey, hey, you're on camera, Miss Karen. You're on Karen. You're on camera. Get out of the road! Oh, I'm gonna call the police! Had to park up and get some flicks next to this gsxr 1000. I think it was a. He told me it was a 2024. He's got the carbon boost fender in the front. Thing is clean, stretched out and everything with the Brooks exhaust. A little fast boy. It's clean, man. I'm telling you, comment down below if I should get one of these, man. I would love to build one of this. It would be awesome. Put this thing back stock wheelbase, even though it looks so birdie. It looks so birdie. But put it back stock wheelbase, raise it up just a little bit, and build me one of these, man. I think that's the move. Look, he's even got this thing strapped down. And I've seen him wheelie the hell out of this thing, man. So it definitely needs those straps for sure. But it's super clean. I love it, man. Heck yeah, I definitely want to build one of these in the future. Alrighty, it's time to head home. Alright, YouTube, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit that bell notification button, comment down below, share or interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.